What is Python language? Python is a high-level programming language known for its simplicity and readability. It was created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. Python emphasizes code readability and has a clean syntax, making it easy to understand and write code. Here are some key features of Python. Easy to learn. Python has simple and straightforward syntax that is easy to understand for beginner. Its focus on readability reduce the cost of program maintenance and development. Uh, Interpreted language. Python is an interpreted language machine that the code is executed line by line rather than begin compiled into machine code beforehand. This allows for rapid development and testing as well as easier debugging. Interpreted language means in here the Python is a interpreter that can code read line by line, not a compiler where it can compile the program completely and completely. Here compile the run the here is program is executed line by read the program is and executed line by line. So interpreted language means Python is a interpreted language. Python program is run through interpreter, not compiler. Cross-platform compatibility, cross-platform compatibility, cross-platform compatibility. Python is cross-platform language, meaning that it can run various operating systems such as Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and more. This makes it a high versatile and widely used language. A large standard library. This means Python have comprehensive standard library that provides wide range of modules and functions for performing various tasks. These modules can imported in your program, save you time and efforts in implementing common functionality. By third-party library, Python has vast ecosystem of third-party libraries and framework that extended its capability. These libraries cover a wide range of domains such as web development, data analysis, machine learning, scientific computing, and more. Some popular libraries including NumPy, Pandas, TensorFlow, Django, Flask, Matplotlib. These are important libraries which can categorize as the third-party libraries in Python language. Versatile application. Versatile application is an important part of the key feature in Python programming language. Python can be used various purposes including web development, data analysis, scientific computing, artificial intelligence, machine learning, automation, scripting, and more. Its versatility has contributed to its popularity in many fields. Python code is executed using interpreter, which reads the code line by line and executes the instruction. Python supports multiple programming paradigms, including procedural, object-oriented, and function programming language. Overall, Python's simplicity, readability, and extensive library support make it a popular choice among beginner and experienced programmer alike. It has a large, it has a large, it has a large and active community that contribute to its development and provide support through online forum, tutorial, and documentation. There is a important lecture in the important lecture related with Python. This is the first lecture of Python. And another coming lecture is related with Python programming language are in Kaustubh Study Institute YouTube channel. You can visit and subscribe the channel and share more and more to reach the maximum. To thank you for visiting the channel. Thank you.